Voice over IP, also known as VoIP, has become a widely adopted telephony technology in offices due to its numerous advantages. It has been in use for several years and has proven to be reliable and cost-effective. VoIP typically requires lower setup and ongoing costs compared to traditional phone systems. This is because it utilizes internet connectivity and eliminates the need for expensive physical phone lines. VoIP is a highly flexible solution that allows businesses to easily add or remove users and devices as needed. It also enables remote and mobile work arrangements. VoIP systems offer a wide range of advanced features, including voicemail, call forwarding, conference calling, and video conferencing. These features enhance communication and collaboration. Many VoIP systems integrate with other business applications such as CRM and help desk systems. This allows for seamless communication and improved productivity. VoIP solutions enable employees to use the same phone number and extension from any location with internet access. This facilitates seamless communication while on the go. VoIP has significantly reduced telecommunication costs while providing excellent call quality. The flexibility of VoIP has allowed organizations to scale phone systems easily as their team has grown. The integration with CRM has streamlined communication and improved customer service. VoIP has enabled remote employees to stay connected and collaborate as if they were in the office. VoIP requires a reliable internet connection with sufficient bandwidth to ensure clear and stable calls. To prioritize voice traffic and maintain call quality of service settings should be properly configured. Implement strong security measures to protect against cyber threats and ensure privacy. VoIP is a widely used and proven technology that offers numerous benefits to offices. Its cost-effectiveness, flexibility, feature richness, and mobility have made it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. While careful consideration of internet connectivity, quality of service, and security is necessary, VoIP can significantly enhance communication, collaboration, and productivity in the workplace. The benefits of voice over internet protocol are vast. Firstly, cost reduction is achieved through the elimination of traditional phone lines and the convergence of voice and data networks. Secondly, enhanced flexibility is provided by the ability to easily scale the system up or down based on business needs and the support for remote and mobile workers. Thirdly, there's improved productivity with features like unified messaging, call recording, and integration with other business applications. Fourthly, greater resilience is ensured by the ability to route calls over multiple internet connections and the option for cloud-based solutions that offer redundancy and disaster recovery. Fifthly, simplified management is achieved through a centralized platform for managing all communication services. Sixthly, increased collaboration is fostered with features like video conferencing and instant messaging. Seventhly, it allows for better customer service by integrating with CRM systems and providing real-time call analytics. Eighthly, there's global reach, enabling businesses to easily communicate with customers and employees around the world. Ninthly, it allows for future-proofing, as VoIP technology continues to evolve and offer new features and capabilities. Tenthly, it improves employee satisfaction by providing them with the tools they need to communicate effectively and stay connected. 11thly, it provides detailed call analytics, allowing businesses to track call volume, duration, and other metrics to improve performance. 12thly, it enables personalized communication by allowing businesses to customize greetings, menus, and other settings based on caller ID or other criteria. 13thly, it enhances security with features like encryption and fraud detection. 14thly, it allows for easy integration with other communication channels such as email and SMS. 15thly, it offers a more environmentally friendly solution by reducing the need for physical infrastructure and travel. When choosing a VoIP system, several factors should be taken into account. Firstly, assess your business needs by identifying the number of users, call volume, and required features. Secondly, evaluate the reliability and quality of service offered by different providers, including uptime guarantees and customer support. Thirdly, consider the scalability of the system to ensure it can grow with your business. Fourthly, check for integration with other business applications such as CRM and help desk systems. Fifthly, review the security features offered by the provider, including encryption and fraud detection. Sixthly, compare the costs of different solutions, including upfront costs, monthly fees, and usage charges. Seventhly, look for a user-friendly interface and intuitive features. Eighthly, read reviews and testimonials from other businesses to get an idea of their experience with different providers. Ninthly, consider the availability of training and support resources. Tenthly, ensure the provider complies with relevant regulations such as data privacy laws. 11thly, check for mobile app support to enable remote workers to stay connected. 12thly, consider the availability of advanced features such as call recording and analytics. 13thly, ensure the provider offers flexible pricing options to suit your budget. 14thly, check for the availability of customized solutions to meet your specific needs. 15thly, consider the long-term viability of the provider and their commitment to innovation. When setting up a VoIP system, several steps need to be followed. Firstly, assess your network infrastructure to ensure it can support VoIP traffic. Secondly, choose a VoIP provider and select a suitable plan. Thirdly, configure your network settings, including quality of service and firewall rules. Fourthly, install and configure VoIP phones or soft phones on your computers and mobile devices. Fifthly, test the system thoroughly to ensure call quality and functionality. Sixthly, train employees on how to use the system effectively. Seventhly, monitor the system performance regularly to identify and resolve any issues. Eighthly, update the system software and firmware regularly to ensure security and stability. Ninthly, back up your system configuration and data regularly. Tenthly, establish a disaster recovery plan to ensure business continuity in case of an outage. 11thly, secure your VoIP system by implementing strong passwords and enabling encryption. 12thly, configure your voicemail settings and greetings. 13thly, set up call routing rules and auto attendance. 14thly, integrate your VoIP system with other business applications. 15thly, optimize your network for VoIP by prioritizing voice traffic. Several common problems may arise with VoIP systems, and knowing how to troubleshoot them is essential. Firstly, poor call quality can be caused by insufficient bandwidth, network congestion, or faulty equipment. Secondly, dropped calls can be caused by network outages, firewall issues, or incompatible devices. Thirdly, echo can be caused by faulty headsets, incorrect audio settings, or network latency. Fourthly, one-way audio can be caused by firewall restrictions, NAT traversal issues, or codec incompatibility. Fifthly, jitter can be caused by network congestion, packet loss, or faulty network equipment. Sixthly, latency can be caused by distance, network congestion, or slow processing speeds. Seventhly, security breaches can be caused by weak passwords, unencrypted traffic, or vulnerable software. Eighthly, compatibility issues can arise between different VoIP devices or software. Ninthly, power outages can disrupt VoIP service if backup power is not available. Tenthly, software bugs can cause unexpected behavior or system crashes. 11thly, configuration errors can lead to incorrect call routing or feature malfunctions. 12thly, hardware failures can cause system downtime and require replacement of equipment. 13thly, user errors can result in misdialed numbers or incorrect feature usage. 14thly, network attacks, such as denial of service attacks, can overwhelm the VoIP system and disrupt service. 15thly, provider outages can cause widespread service disruptions. To ensure good VoIP call quality, several tips should be followed. Firstly, ensure you have sufficient bandwidth for VoIP traffic. Secondly, prioritize voice traffic using quality of service settings. Thirdly, use a wide Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Fourthly, use high-quality headsets and microphones. Fifthly, avoid using multiple devices and the same network connection simultaneously. Sixthly, close unnecessary applications that consume bandwidth. Seventhly, test your internet speed regularly. Eighthly, position your router in a central location to ensure good Wi-Fi coverage. Ninthly, avoid using cordless phones or other devices that may interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Tenthly, use a dedicated VoIP network if possible. 11thly, configure your firewall to allow VoIP traffic. 12thly, update your VoIP software and firmware regularly. 13thly, use a codec that is optimized for voice quality. 14thly, monitor your network performance regularly. 15thly, consider using a cloud-based VoIP service for better reliability. VoIP is often compared to traditional phone systems, and it is important to understand the key differences. Firstly, VoIP uses the internet to transmit voice calls, while traditional phone systems use dedicated phone lines. Secondly, VoIP typically offers lower costs compared to traditional phone systems. Thirdly, VoIP offers more flexibility and scalability compared to traditional phone systems. Fourthly, VoIP offers a wider range of advanced features compared to traditional phone systems. Fifthly, VoIP requires a reliable internet connection, while traditional phone systems do not. Sixthly, VoIP can be more complex to set up and manage compared to traditional phone systems. Seventhly, VoIP can be more vulnerable to security threats compared to traditional phone systems. Eighthly, VoIP can offer better call quality compared to traditional phone systems, depending on network conditions. Ninthly, VoIP can integrate more easily with other business applications compared to traditional phone systems. Tenthly, VoIP can enable remote and mobile work arrangements more easily compared to traditional phone systems. 11thly, VoIP can provide detailed call analytics, while traditional phone systems typically do not. 12thly, VoIP can offer more personalized communication options compared to traditional phone systems. 13thly, VoIP can be more environmentally friendly compared to traditional phone systems. 14thly, VoIP can be more easily upgraded and updated compared to traditional phone systems. 15thly, VoIP can be more easily integrated with other communication channels, such as email and SMS, compared to traditional phone systems. The future of VoIP looks promising, with several emerging trends shaping its evolution. Firstly, the integration of artificial intelligence is enhancing VoIP systems with features like voice recognition, natural language processing, and automated customer service. Secondly, the rise of web real-time communication, or WebRTC, is enabling seamless communication directly within web browsers without the need for plugins or software downloads. Thirdly, the adoption of 5.0 generation wireless systems is improving the reliability and quality of VoIP calls on mobile devices. Fourthly, the increasing use of cloud-based VoIP solutions is providing businesses with greater flexibility, scalability, and cost savings. Fifthly, the convergence of communication channels is integrating VoIP with other platforms like email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. Sixthly, the focus on security is driving the development of more robust encryption and authentication methods to protect VoIP systems from cyber threats. Seventhly, the personalization of communication is enabling businesses to tailor VoIP features and services to meet the specific needs of individual customers. Eighthly, the expansion of global reach is making VoIP accessible to businesses and individuals in more countries and regions around the world. Ninthly, the advancement of voice codecs is improving the quality and efficiency of VoIP calls. Tenthly, the development of new VoIP applications is expanding the range of use cases for the technology, such as remote healthcare, online education, and virtual events. 11thly, the integration of VoIP with the Internet of Things, or IoT, is enabling new forms of communication and collaboration between devices and systems. 12thly, the increasing use of VoIP in emergency services is improving the speed and effectiveness of response efforts. 13thly, the development of more user-friendly interfaces is making VoIP easier for people of all ages and technical abilities to use. 14thly, the growing awareness of the environmental benefits of VoIP is encouraging more businesses to adopt the technology as part of their sustainability initiatives. 15thly, the ongoing innovation in VoIP technology is ensuring that it remains a vital tool for communication and collaboration in the years to come. To keep VoIP systems secure, several measures should be taken. Firstly, use strong passwords for all VoIP accounts and devices. Secondly, enable encryption for all VoIP traffic. Thirdly, keep your VoIP software and firmware up to date. Fourthly, use a firewall to protect your VoIP network. Fifthly, disable unnecessary features and services. Sixthly, monitor your VoIP system for suspicious activity. Seventhly, educate employees about VoIP security best practices. Eighthly, implement access controls to restrict access to sensitive VoIP data and settings. Ninthly, use a virtual private network, or VPN, when connecting to your VoIP system from a public network. 10thly, back up your VoIP configuration and data regularly. 11thly, install antivirus software on devices used for VoIP. 12thly, implement intrusion detection and prevention systems. 13thly, conduct regular security audits of your VoIP system. 14thly, use a session border controller, or SBC, to protect your VoIP network from attacks. 15thly, stay informed about the latest VoIP security threats and vulnerabilities. When using VoIP for business, there are several best practices to follow. Firstly, choose a reliable VoIP provider with a proven track record. Secondly, ensure you have a sufficient bandwidth for VoIP traffic. Thirdly, prioritize voice traffic using quality of service settings. Fourthly, use high-quality headsets and microphones. Fifthly, train employees on how to use the VoIP system effectively. Sixthly, monitor the system performance regularly to identify and resolve any issues. Seventhly, back up your VoIP configuration and data regularly. Eighthly, establish a disaster recovery plan to ensure business continuity. Ninthly, secure your VoIP system by implementing strong passwords and enabling encryption. 10thly, integrate your VoIP system with other business applications. 11thly, optimize your network for VoIP by prioritizing voice traffic. 12thly, use a dedicated VoIP network if possible. 13thly, configure your voicemail settings and greetings. 14thly, set up call routing rules and auto attendance. 15thly, provide ongoing support and training to employees. VoIP technology continues to evolve. New codecs and features are constantly being introduced to improve call quality, security, and functionality. Integration with other communication tools and platforms is becoming more seamless. The rise of cloud-based VoIP solutions is making the technology more accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes. AI is being used to enhance VoIP systems with features like voice recognition, natural language processing, and automated customer service. The development of new VoIP applications is expanding the range of use cases for the technology. The focus on security is driving the development of more robust encryption and authentication methods. The personalization of communication is enabling businesses to tailor VoIP features and services to meet the specific needs of individual customers. The expansion of global reach is making VoIP accessible to businesses and individuals in more countries and regions around the world. The increasing use of VoIP in emergency services is improving the speed and effectiveness of response efforts. The development of more user-friendly interfaces is making VoIP easier for people of all ages and technical abilities to use. VoIP is no longer just a technology for making phone calls. It is now a comprehensive communication platform that can be used for a wide range of purposes. As technology continues to evolve, VoIP will play an even greater role in how we communicate and collaborate in the future.